Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And no, I will not restore my Alfa. Actually, I'm just here because the place where my next project is parked, it's like there is a lot of people around, and I don't feel really comfortable to place a camera, and be there talking to a camera. And I don't feel comfortable because people will be looking. I have that car for 7 years, I believe, but I don't use it for two. I really don't drive that car for 2 years, so I will try to start the car. I'm not even sure if the car will start or not. I hope so. Right now we don't have battery, we don't have ignition coil, but I get one. I use it. It's not in the best condition, but I believe it will at least work. Let's see. For example, central lock is not working. It's moldy from inside because it had infiltration. Guys, this car will be like kind of crazy. So guys, that car is a kind of messy right now, but it's a really important car to me because it's something that I bought because I really like it. So my first mission will be to try to start the car, and I will try to bring it here to show you the car, and then I'll try to give it a watch, even if it's in a car wash or something, because it's really dirty. As you imagine, it's parked for 2 years. Guys, let's start the car, or at least try, and I will show you the car in more details. Let's go. Bom dia, Sr. Bruno. É, já vai começar já. Pôr isto novo. Já está parado há 2 anos. Vamos ver se ele liga. So guys, let's see, moment of the truth. Whoa, it's starting, man. And no smoke. So guys, as you see, easy start. 2 years without starting this engine, and no, actually I'm surprised. I was expecting to be more difficult, to be honest. The thing is, I really enjoy the Audi. I drive this car for many times. This car took me and my family to a lot of vacations. I travel a lot with this car, and the good thing for this project is I really know what is going on with this car, which defects it have, and the other projects like Micro and Polo I didn't know. So guys, before I take the car for a wash, I will try to show you the defects and some good points, because it have also good points. As I already told you, I usually make a list of things that I want to do. There is a lot of things that I already bought to this car. Some of them I bought in the past, not for the project, but I already bought things for the project, of course. The good thing is I know this car really well. I know what is needed to be good. Mechanically, this car is good, really good. So guys, let's see the defects, and or at least the most of them. Then I will show you during the project. But right now I'll try to show you the big defects. Let's go. So for example, the bumper need to be painted. A lot of webs here. Oh Jesus! Let me do. Yeah, you need to take a bath. For example, a nice thing is that he have new tires. The discs and pads, I believe they are new, but I already ordered new, because I remember there is something going on in the other side. Another thing, it have a few scratches, as you can see, on the door. You see, if I can, right here, another one. While the car is parked, someone did this, I believe. You see it here. It has a small crack right here. Let me see if I can. There is a small crack right here. So guys, the worst part is this thing, because as you can see, there is a huge hole right here. So guys, that is the worst part. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'll try to do something to fix. It's missing, I don't know the name of this, but in English. Actually, I don't know even in Portuguese, but it's missing. I'll try to find it. I couldn't find yet. So guys, the worst part in this car is the interior, because you remember this damage right here in the roof. It started to get water inside, and the interior stayed, moldy. And when I'm saying moldy, it's really moldy. At that time, when I realized, I took a pictures. I will show you. Right now, I cleaned it a little bit just to see it, but you can see it in the pictures. It was really bad, and the back seats are still really dirty. I'm gonna show you. Another thing that is not working is the sunroof. The windows are not working, the doors are not opening, and that happens when the water goes inside the car. And I believe this module, which is the central locking module, I believe it's damaged. I already removed it to see the part number, and I have another module right here to test and see if the problem it's the module or not. I hope so, to be honest. It will be a kind of difficult to show you the replacement, in this case the installation of this. When this happens, usually is this module, which is really common. The Volkswagen Polo had the same problem, but in this case is not working, nothing, absolutely nothing. So let's install the module and see if at least I can open the windows. So guys, I also found out a wire right here. So if it's not working, I believe it could be the plug. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. So I believe the problem is something related with that wire. I need to check maybe some fuse. I remember I checked the fuses and I didn't find nothing. So I will take a look later. Right now I will have some gas and take it to a shower basically because it's really dirty. I will take it to a car wash, which I usually don't do, but in this case the car will need a paint job or some work, I don't know, let's see. So guys, let's give it at least a wash in the car, not to look it so bad because it's looking abandoned right now. Let's go.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and it's certainly alright.
Guys, never use this in your car, okay?
Myself and my psyche, you should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, fucking light.
So guys, I ran out of battery and today is a complete different day. I'm at my mother's house because I have a little bit of more space. But guys, as you can see, there is a lot of work to do and I'm starting today to make the first videos. So guys, I can show you what I am doing today. Let me show you. So as you can see, there is a lot of stuff in here. Basically, I will start with maintenance, but new radio, oil, coolant, expansion tank filters, more filters, ignition coil, this is the fuel pressure regulator, new side lights, brake caliper paint, this is the fuse box. So guys, that is a lot of stuff, and of course I have way more at home. So guys, a lot of new videos will come, and guys, I hope you enjoyed, and as usual, see you soon, stay tuned.